Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Iotop on OpenSUSE Leap 42.3. Iotop is an open source and free utility monitoring tool to monitor your server process and usage. Now let us see the installation. The basic requirements is to install your Python packages with free type module. The Python modules and these Python modules are already installed. And I have updated kernel version. Now let us switch to the installation of your Iotop. Your Iotop has been installed. Now run Iotop as root user. You will be able to see the process running in your machine and status of it. Now run Iotop only or with the option -o to see all the running processor or threads. And next, in order to view all usage and options, run the following command, that is man Iotop. This will list out the options and usage available for this Iotop command. An Iotop usage and keyboard shortcut, move your left or right arrow key to change the sorting. Now I'm going to show you the Iotop version. For that, Iotop --- version. Now let us see the few options available in your Iotop. It used to show your information of usage. Similarly, you can also use your user option by typing Iotop -u followed by the name of the user, either a root user or a user, and this will list out the statistics of the user one. If I want to view the statistics of root user, this is what happens. Similarly, your Iotops comes with several options such as -h, -r, -o, and -p, the two options. Thus, we have installed and seen how to use Iotop on OpenSUSE Leap 42.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.